Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Beas Manufacturing 2024.06. In this version, we concentrated on various improvements in the integration with Produmex WMS, screen and performance improvements and substantial bug fixing. Let's see all these in detail. In WMS it is common to have one or very few warehouses, and the production area is identified with zones or input locations of the production lines. When a production user is going to make material consumptions, they will see all items loaded by location, batches, LUID, etc., which could generate many lines as well as showing areas that are not of their competence, for example the general storage area, making the loading of information impact on performance as well as complicating the task of manual selection of lots when required. For this, we have extended the ability to filter the work order issue screen to display specific zones or locations. Now it is allowed through a parameter to select the zones in which issues are allowed. It is considered in automatic issues. The user now can focus only on the area that they can select, thus speeding up the selection process. Now, when WMS is installed, end users can filter stock to be displayed in the Beas Work Order Material Issue screen. Beas allows filtering by zones and specific bin locations. When the filter by zone or bin location is defined, the system displays the filtered results in the Beas Work Order Material Issue screen. Now a new option is available in the pick list generation process. The new option is Pick List Proposal plus Picking List plus Status Ready. With this new setting, the users can now select to make the pick list automatically ready after the pick list has been created. Please note, both Beas Manufacturing and PMX WMS must be updated to 2024.06 for these parameters to work. From Beas 2024.06, the logic of creating reservations for a Beas work order stock transfer request is also applied when Produmex WMS creates the document. To get a great visual of the complete workflow, please consult the relevant chapter of our Beas WMS documentation package and check our new demonstration video on YouTube. The order recommendation shows a new line in the Current Income tab that displays the quantity reserved for a customer. With this new information, users can quickly check if there are any reservations for a specific customer in the system. A new property, batch number, is now available in the time receipt object. Now, in the BSL, the user can set the batch number property in the time receipt object. The HANA database is case-sensitive in the searching process, but Beas applies a command to search strings in non-case-sensitive manner in several places. This resulted in extremely low performance. This logic has been changed to improve the queries, and now the performance problems are solved in HANA databases. The system should work in the same way as before. The Beas screen to start a new interruption has been revised and improved. Now, the screen can link an interruption to its parent maintenance order. Also, the system displays the maintenance plan and the plan ID in the screen, and these values can be modified. Some further improvements. The screen now supports the opening of the related documentation with F1, which was not supported. When the screen is opened from the desktop terminal app, the fields for the maintenance and plan are not displayed. Beas displays the created interruptions in the Interruptions tab. And the system displays a correct error message: definition is broken, create a new entry. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2024.09 to be released at the end of September 2024. This concludes our introduction to the 2024.06 version of Beas Manufacturing. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much, and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.